Hey guys, welcome back to our video. Today we have the viral mystery dumpling. So I hope we get the rare, but it's okay if we don't. So let's just see which one we get. So the first video that I had about the dumpling, it was mini one. So I'm actually ready to see which one I
don't know how to open it.
I'll get it for you. Which one do you want, Sawyer?
I don't know.
I want the bubbles. You want the rare one? Okay, so it would be something to get the rare one, but Sawyer, it's okay if we don't get it. But what you want to do is you want to turn this way. Okay, ready, Sawyer? I'm gonna turn this way, and you're gonna open. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I got the bubbles.
I got this one.
Oh my gosh, guys, this feels so good. The bubbles is so cute. It literally has little shimmers in it. I love this one. I'm so glad. Let's see which one Sawyer got.
I got this one.
Maybe metallic?
Could we wait?
Wait, let's go see. I think he got the rare one, guys. Yo, look at that.
Did
That's
I get the
good.
real one? Did I get the real one?
I think you did. Okay, guys, thank y'all for watching. These are all the ones that you can get. I'm actually really happy that I got this one because I really love this one. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Goodbye.